Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. I am seeking clarifications, sir, but at the same time, the government has come out with a policy of the control of molasses. Ultimately, what would happen to these molasses? Suppose we are producing 100 units of molasses. Out of 100 units of molasses, how much is being used for potable alcohol? How much is being used for manufacturing Indian made foreign liquor? How much or what percentage is being used for other chemical or pharmaceutical industries? The minister has to clarify these things. My information is that nearly 80% of the molasses which is produced in this country is being used for potable alcohol and other liquors. If it is decontrolled, who is going to have control over the manufacture of illicit liquor and arak? Then what would happen? How the central government going to exercise control over its distribution, its transportation, its pricing? Will the central government assure this house that it will take every steps to see that molasses is not diverted for production of illicit liquor in the states where prohibition is already introduced? For example, Tamil Nadu. For example, in Tamil Nadu, after October, it is going to be in Andhra Pradesh. Just now, Mr. Yashwant Sinha has pointed out that the excise commissioners of some states have objected to it. What is the reaction of the government? How would the government exercise control over the state governments? What is the mechanism? What is the competency of the central government to have any control over the state governments? He has to explain this. The minister has already committed that sugar factories are already lobbying for the control of molasses. I have no objection to that. I have no quarrel with it. Every industry has to exercise some lobby in order to survive. But what profit would the sugar factories get out of the control? What additional income would they get by decontrolling molasses? Are the sugar factories prepared to share this additional income with the cane producers? This is another important issue. I would like to know from the minister whether he has any talk, any dialogue, any discussion with his counterpart, Mr. Kalpanath Rai, in this regard. I would like to know from the minister whether the sugar mills have assured the government that they would share this additional profit with the farmers. These are some of my questions for clarification. Thank you. Stop